Hi, I'm Laura from YoungWritersWorkshops.com, and I'm going to talk about how to use footnotes. A footnote can be used in a couple different ways. The first, most common way is if you want to credit someone. So for example, if you give a quote or use a quote in a paper, you can footnote by giving the complete citation. Depending on the format that you're following, APA, MLA, for etc., you might have different ways that you format that footnote. Another example is just more further information. For example, if you, some writers use a footnote talking about almost an aside. I was reading a book recently where it was about a private investigator, and so she was often using covers, and in her book she would footnote the truth about what she had just said. So she would sort of give an aside statement to the reader, giving more information so that they had the inside story, knew basically the truth behind her story. So you can use footnotes more creatively besides just using references. Most word processing programs have a footnoting ability, so you can create the tiny superscript number and then insert the footnote at the bottom of the page that you're writing. So those are some ideas about how to use footnotes.